a speech to text tool which increases your productivity for absolutely free as it is open source. In this video, we're also going to discuss its pros, its cons, and also some custom settings जिससे आपका workflow fast होगा. So without wasting any time, let me just show you the tool. So guys, here we are in the screen. So as you can see, the name of the tool is Handy. It is developed by this guy. So a huge shout out to this guy, for giving out this tool for absolutely free. So you might even know Whisperflow, which is like a billion-dollar company almost, right? And then so we are going to see the tool and we are going to see कि if उसके टक्कर में है या नहीं, and we are going to discuss everything in this video. सबसे पहले you can like just download it for Windows, or else they provide it for Mac, Windows ARM, Linux ARM. So everything is there. You just have to go in here. Sorry. So इधर जाओ, download Handy for Windows, and then it just downloads. So after downloading, you can do any installation. I preferred custom because मेरे को D drive में store करना rather than C drive, as I do not have much space in it. So after doing that, let it install, and this is what your app would look like as soon as you go inside. So okay, so इसको सबसे पहले let me just explain about the app. So guys, transcribe shortcut as in, so when I want to talk, so let me just show you. So when I want to talk, how do I talk? What is a shortcut for it? So I just go Control Windows and I talk whatever I want to. So it just detects, and as you can see, it transcribes. So that is the shortcut it's talking about. And then push to talk, as in, so if you have to, when I press Control plus space, I have to press it and keep it till I'm talking, and then I release it. After that, only which it transcribes. So that is something जिसके वजह से ये फीचर है. If you don't want that, if you just want to click it and leave it, and then again click it to like send it, so that is your custom preference, and you can just like not check this. And then guys, microphone, my laptop microphone ain't that good, right? So I was using this my earphones to transcribe. Like normally you guys use it and it's better, it's more perfect in transcribing, it's more accurate. So all these things you just have to leave at default. In models, when you come in here, it will ask you to download a model. So Parakeet V3 is the recommended version, and it's good if you're number one talking in English, and number two, if you want speed. So as per accuracy and speed, the best combination is this model. And if I even talk about the size of this model, it's only around 450 MB to 500 MB, somewhere in between. So it wouldn't take much space on your device, and it's actually pretty quick. So I went a step ahead and I downloaded Whisper Turbo, and the reason for it is, guys, मेरे को चाहिए था कि तुम लोग को for example हिंदी में transcription चाहिए कहीं कहीं पे. So उसके लिए क्या कर सकते हैं? You can download Whisper Turbo, as it is specifically made for custom languages, for specific languages. So when you just come in here and if you search Hindi, okay. So when I press Hindi, this is the top choice, and that is why I downloaded it, and we'll obviously discuss the use cases. Now advanced में आते हैं. Here I'll show you. So launch on startup को on करो. I believe this is pretty light. I don't see any my laptop का performance being changed. So that is your choice. Obviously, you can customly start it. And then guys, overlay position, as in when I'm pressing control space, where does this icon occur, right? This one. So that's bottom, top, anywhere you want. So that's on you. And then unload model, I kept it never, because I mean I might be talking it for 5 minutes and then 10 minutes बाद मेरे को वापस चाहिए होगा. So it's better that you keep it never. Experimental features, obviously I try to keep it on to see if there are any upgrades, and I'll try to inform you guys. Paste method, in case it wasn't able to, like for example अगर मैं यहाँ पे आके speech to text use करूँ, but there is not a specific place to paste it, and that is why if you keep this on clipboard, right, so when there isn't a specific place to paste it, it just copies it to your clipboard, which you can paste it into any editor or text whatever via control V, and then as you can see, copy to clipboard हो जाएगा if unable to paste somewhere. Auto submit को off करो, that is not something. And then guys, custom words में, as in you can say कि if I am talking about, let's say, YouTube, and then I guess, let me just understand it, right? So add words that are often misheard or misspelling during transcription. Okay, so let's try. I mean, it depends. Whatever is misspelled. So currently, I don't feel anything is there. So if you want, you could do it. History limit is, guys. For example, the past five conversation is it stores it in case you might want it, or else you can literally keep it zero. It doesn't matter. And then keyboard implementation, post processing, as in after you release the tool, and like after you release the shortcut and जब ये transcribe कर देता है उसके बाद भी AI or else using its model, right? We downloaded the models. Using it, it could try to refine it so that if you want that's something you could keep it on. And then, guys, one more thing: if you have a like if you have a graphics card of Nvidia or anything, you could just come in here, Whisper Acceleration, and choose that card. And I believe isse your transcription, the speed actually improves. And why not use the graphics card? You paid for it. And then, guys, all these you could just like keep it on off depending on you. I would say to keep this section off, open between transcriptions, not a like proper use. And then, guys, post processing hotkey is there, control shift space if you want to change it again. And then अगर तुम लोग को चाहिए कि open AI के through you get it transcribed, so you can choose a API key and model. But obviously you guys want it out free, so we are not going to choose that. And then application language English, and then I just stored it on D drive because I don't have space, as I discussed. So, guys, let us first start with using Parakeet V3, and I'll just show you the speed of it, right? So let me just change this, and we are going to talk a slow speed, and we are also going to use filler words in between, so you get an idea of what I'm talking. So control space. Hi guys, my name is Aman, and I would like to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of next month because I want to provide you guys as much value as possible. So I believe the speed is also pretty good. So as you can see, पहले आ गया. So guys, तुम लोग देख सकते हो. Hi guys, my name is Aman. I would like to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of next month because I want to provide you guys as much as value as possible. So as you can see, the speed is pretty good, and this model is specifically good for English. मैंने इससे speed में बात किया. I talk to it slowly. I use some filler words. So let's say hi. Hi. So the filler words is detected fast, slow, no issues. It's absolutely like it's pretty good. I would say it's pretty good. And then now coming on to changing the models and the things you are waiting for to use a Hindi specific model. And guys, note it, I believe Whisperflow even I have been using, but it's paid, but it's reasonably priced around 320. If you can pay it, it's like your choice. You can even use it in computer and like your phone. But I like abhi ke liye, what you guys could do is phone में you're getting 6 months of Whisper Flow free. So उसको जाके claim कर लो. And laptop के लिए तो ये है ही. It's not that uh, not that hard on your laptop. Also, it's a pretty light model. The one of like the previous things, I one more tool I discovered that was like pretty tough on my laptop, and that is why I deleted it. But okay, so Hindi wala use ho gaya. So guys, one more thing you need to note is अगर मैं ज़्यादातर, for example, 50% of the sentence if I'm speaking in Hindi, then it will write in Hindi. But if I used English in between, for example, hi guys, मेरा नाम अमन is, ऐसा कुछ कर दो जिसमें 50% ज़्यादा English है, so it kind of understands कि we are speaking English with in between a little bit of Hindi. So it transcribes English into English only, but Hindi को भी English में transcribe कर देता है rather than English. So for example, hi guys, so we are talking about एक जगह जहां पे we are going to go. So I believe इसको English में आना चाहिए. Okay, we are talking about a place where we are going to go. तो तुम लोग अभी देख सकते हो, अभी ये English में ट्रांसक्राइब हुआ है. बट अगर मैं शुद्ध हिंदी में बोलूं, मुझे YouTube पर 1,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स हिट करने हैं बाय द अगले महीने के तारीख तक. तो अगर मैं ये यूज करूं, एंड यू कैन सी द स्पीड इज आल्सो नॉट दैट बैड कंसिडरिंग इट्स अ हेवियर मॉडल. इट्स अराउंड 1.7 गीगाबाइट्स. तो तुम लोग देख सकते हो, मुझे YouTube पर 1,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स हिट करने हैं वाइड अगले महीने के तारीख. okay, by the अगले महीने के तारीख. So as you can see, in Hindi also it's transcribing absolutely wonderfully, right? You don't have any tension. So one settings which helped me do this pretty quickly was enabling that the graphics card option and choosing the custom graphics card that I currently have in my laptop. So the better the graphics card, the better the transcription. And guys, now talking on if this is comparatively better than Whisperflow or not, guys, I wouldn't say yes, because number one reason, all the models are being loaded on your laptop and the speed depends on कि तुम्हारे laptop में क्या processor है, क्या speed है. अगर if you have a better laptop than this MacBook anything, it would obviously transcribe in a better way. But Whisperflow, it's a light model. They are currently training their models on so many specific words. It's compatible in your phone, in your laptop also. Currently, this is only in your laptop, but overall, I believe even this, if this was half priced as Whisperflow only for laptop, or even equal, like 60-70% priced, guys, this is absolutely a gem. And this guy has absolutely done a wonderful job. If you guys can, and if you guys would like to, please go ahead and donate to him. So this was all about the video. I discussed everything I wanted to. So if you like the video, obviously like and subscribe. And guys, we are trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. So please help me achieve this goal by subscribing to my channel. Till then, this is your host Aman Jain. And please leave comments if you have any feedback. Bye bye. Let's meet you in the next video.